ALFCOIN adventure. So yeah, we have so David. Then we have 2 people for the community management. We have so Era and Amir, which is so Era has been working in the radio industry, and so they were in charge of the communication and the social media for the radio. So Amir is working also in other projects. So yes, I won't mention them, but this is also a French project we are doing very well. So yeah, that's about our community. Then we have a webmaster, so he's designing all the form, because we actually have a form to deposit your token, etc. Is mastering the website. We just engaged a new graphist, because yeah, we had a lot of we didn't invest so much in the graphic of our website already, because we had a lot of investment to do into our first dashboard, and already starting working with team. We are already in contact for the development of a blockchain. So yeah, we have a new graphist who is working on our V2 on website V2. And yeah, that's about it. We are 5 in the team. And we are looking, of course, to develop and to engage few new people as the project is growing. But yeah, I mean, that's it for now. We have already consultant, and as I said, already in chatting, speaking with outsourcing company to develop our blockchain.
Lovely to hear, guys. I think that that improvement that you look for on a daily is necessary and very important. I do believe that as well as the project is developing, your chart will develop too and will grow and will increase. As I said, you guys are right now at a very great entry point. People need to start understanding your project more and getting to know how good ALFCOIN is. Having so far a very local target of investors, which is you guys have a lot of French investors from what I see, is actually limiting. So I wanted to ask you, how do you guys expect to expand internationally and get more investors now that the bases are pretty much done?
Yes, so I will start, and then Nicolas, if you want to follow. But yeah, for now we have done we have already focused on the like we did several IMAs with Greek, with Arabic, with Vietnamese, with North American communities. We also had a lot of chill on Twitter. Also, we did a giveaway on Twitter. We have right now CMS post running. We have this AMA tonight. We have another post on CMS scheduled for tomorrow morning. Also, we have a YouTube video to be released, and sorry, PooCoin ads to come. But yeah, why I said all that, it's because we did already a lot of shilling, a lot of marketing about our project. But yeah, we have identified that the thing is, we already know at the beginning, but it's getting more and more precise, that a lot of people don't understand the project because they only focus on the token. The thing is, our token is, as Nicolas said, is just the entry ticket, to get into our investment plan. It's just something you buy, and so you deposit them with your BUSD, and so your money can work via our traders in the financial market. The thing is, as you said, yes, we have a really good entry point right now. We believe that we will start growing very soon, because as more and more people come to our investment plan, they will buy, of course, ALFCOIN, and this ALFCOIN will be stacked. So yeah, we want to we believe that yes, our core are gonna raise. But the real thing is, yeah, you can trade our token to get some profits if you want, but I think the most important thing,
it's not the main thing. It's not the main
yes,
thing. And this is why a lot of people cannot really understand the project, and we need a lot of communication. And of course, we need to go on outside, of course, of the French community, because it was our first choice because of our origins. But of course, we are immensely interested to go outside and to touch all the world. And this is why it's really great to start with you. For us, it's a great honor, because really you have one of the greatest channel that I saw out there. And you, as you said, yes, you only offer and proposed a really real serious project. And this is for us very important to present this here, and hope in the future to present our progress and our updated with you if you want, of course. And we need to do a lot of communication. And this is something that the investors and all everyone must understand, that we are not just a simple token. The token is just the entry ticket for the real project. The real project is the philosophy of hedge funding. So to invest your money through crypto and have return on that.
yes, exactly. So yeah, we have already doing a lot of, as I said, AMA on our own channel, on a French and international channel, so we can speak directly to the people of our community, because even people that are already here doesn't even understand sometimes really how we work. So we do a lot of AMA, like we're gonna do we did just one yesterday in the French community. Yesterday afternoon, Nicolas did a live trading session on YouTube, so he will be doing that every week. So that the people can follow the progress of the hedge fund, etc., etc. So we want to, yeah, we are, you can go to our community and ask the people. Yes, we are present, we are here for them. We want, because we know we are to have their confidence to invest in to invest in our investing plan. Because yes, for now we are just a small project, but next maybe in the next month, that's our goal. But we will I mean, we will have our own company. We have our license to trade, etc., etc. But that's in the next few months. For now, yes, we are just doxed. We are audit, okay, yes, but a lot of people are worried about yeah, giving like lending us the money, and it's perfectly understandable. So this is why we do a lot of AMAs. We do a lot of live on YouTube to discuss, to present the project to everyone, so everyone can know. And we believe that we will grow more, on the, from a friend telling another friend, etc. More, we will do, of course, marketing, of course, but the thing is, our project is more like about confidence, and the confidence must be by the people, So once we have the confidence of the heart of our community, this guy is gonna speak about us. They're already doing it, and I think this is how mainly the most investor gonna come back, is from like this discussion between friends, family, etc., etc. But yes, as I said, we will do a lot of marketing. We are already planned we are already plans to go to the Chinese market, because we didn't do much for now. So yeah, Asian market, and of course, yes, we will expand internationally. But it's important, yes, I think it's important to mention that we really want to bring together a strong community, people trusting us, and that's the heart of a community will be our best VIP, to speak about us, because this is really, until we are a company, we need these people to speak about us, and to reassure the potential investor of a project, if you know what I mean.
I was just about to mention that, Charlie. I do feel that it is important that you guys transmit the idea of this project, since it is very different from usual. It's not an easy concept to understand. All the hedge investing, and so hedge funding, and so people need to understand it very well. And that's something that I wanted to point out. Make sure you guys get some visual content, really explaining how ALFCOIN is working, because you have a lot to show people, but you need to make sure to transmit and share the idea in the best way possible, so everyone can understand and everyone can start being a part of the movement. Because I think it's super interesting, but it's complicated. It's not an easy concept for everyone. It's easy, very easy for Nicholas, investing for 15 years. He understands very well how it works. But a lot of the new investors that join crypto have never invested before. They've never had stock investments. They've never had Forex investments. And they just started with crypto. So explaining very well how we are relating a project of DeFi and crypto to hedge funding is super important. Are you guys expecting to get some content to explain everyone well how these two match together and how powerful ALFCOIN is?
Well, I have already like a schema of explaining how Fox Vault, because it's the name of the investment plan, is working. If you want, I can post it in the chat if you let me to do so. But yes, mostly about what you say. Yeah, exactly. A lot of people in crypto, it's just the first investing they are doing in their life mostly, and they never heard about Forex, etc., etc. They don't even know what it is. So that's why it's also to us to explain to them. So this is why we are doing a lot of EMA. We are doing also a lot of live, as I said, and Nicolas is gonna do a lot of more videos about a day of a trader, or is it working, or the trader makes money on the market. He's already doing it in the live, but he will record, have a recorded video with
I will
all
make
these
some more videos. Yeah, some more videos to explain, as you said, a little more what is those two things and how we can bridge them. And we'll use the visual. The visual, it's the easiest thing today. Even me, I don't like to read too much line. I prefer to open my YouTube and watching and listening instead of reading lines and paragraphs, etc. So yeah, we will stick on that, and we will make
yes,
our
maybe if you can post maybe a link to our session trading of yesterday, Benson, if it's okay for you.
Yeah,
So
that's
people
right.
can-
Please, Charlie, send me the links privately so I can share them with the community.
Okay.
Since the chat is closed, I should make you an admin and give you permits.
Yeah, of course.
It's a lot easier for you to send it to me in private.
I'll send you in the group with David. So yeah, this is the one, and also this image, to understand how the investment plan gonna work. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so just sent. So yeah, you're right. As I said before, yes, we have a lot of explaining to do to make people understand what is the hedge fund first. Maybe yes, this is one we are identified that yes, maybe it's one of the things we have not talked about much, because we took it for granted, because so people maybe already know, but no, we are less than 48 old. So in this first 38 hours, we just seen a lot of questions, a lot of people misunderstanding what the hedge fund is, how does it work. So yeah, this is the thing I send you is just a quick schema and also a video of Nicolas trading yesterday, and we will do more graphism to like this to explain how is it working in the traditional finance world compared to them, but to us, sorry, but it's mostly the same. We just apply the concept of a hedge fund, but in the crypto, and the
And for
other.
everyone.
Yes, for everyone, because you can invest starting with $100. But in traditional investing fund, you must have maybe 50K or more to invest.
At least.
Because at least yes. so yeah, it's basically the same thing, but for everyone. And the things, the important thing to understand also is that unlike farming and stacking in other platform in the BSC or anywhere else, we do not create token, we do not generate token to reward our holders. So the thing is, we have a 77 million supply. There won't be more. There'll never be more. Maybe there will be less because maybe someday we will do some burn. We don't know about it yet, so we can speak about it. But it will never be more than 77 million token. And this is why we have this limited supply. It will never grow, and also we generate money not in the crypto world. We generate money outside of the crypto world. So we are giving us the opportunity to bring more money, to bring money from the traditional financial market, and to bring it back into the crypto world. So we kind of
And
bringing more.
community.
Yeah. So the thing is, with our trade, we're gonna reward our holders as the percentage they are applied to. Plus, we know that we're gonna make more, and this more money gonna be used to do more marketing, to maybe have some buyback of the token, to develop our blockchain, etc., etc. So.
Yeah. And one thing I just want to complete, and people must know about that, is the reason that I decided to have a very small supply is for just only one reason. I wanted the price also of the token to have a continuous growing trajectory, because what is the secret here? It's that more people come into the investment plans, and so more tokens are stacked and not in circulation, and that's mean that you have the token became rare.
No sell pressure.
Yeah,
Yes.
became rare. So automatically it will grow up as a price, because you will have more demand than supply. And this is the law in the financial, in the classic financial world. Okay? Okay. And this is what I want to implement here. So this is why I say the core of our project is the investment plans, because more you bring inside the investment plans, more tokens are hide inside the investment plan. They are not outside. So automatically you have also the token price that is growing. So at the end of the investment plan, investors will take the API, of course, of our trading that we offer them, but they will take also the increasing of the token of ALF, because at the end, when he will want to resell his ALF at the end of the period of the token will be higher than the time that he put it on the investment plan. You understand?
Yeah.
And this is the price of today of ALF. They will never saw it again in the future. It was the same philosophy of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was that philosophy, that they will make one supply, that's it. And after that, the price will grow, will grow, will grow, will grow, will grow. You will never see again Bitcoin at $1. Never, never.
Wonderful. Yeah, exactly. I mean, makes a lot of sense. You have a very traditional way of thinking business, which is very, very nice to add to modern technology, and it is lovely to keep, as you said, limited supplies in order to raise the value of a token constantly, as you said. Wonderful. Honestly, nothing strange, nothing weird. I wanted to dive into a little bit of the general tokenomics at buy and sell taxes. We already talked about them, but let's keep it clear in a few sentences. What is buy percentage, sell percentage, just for everyone to know? And why did you choose those numbers? Why did you choose those percentages?
Okay. You want to speak about it, Charlie?
No, maybe
No?
you're the creator of the project, so maybe yes, start and I will follow.
Okay. So for our tokens, our ALFCOINs, you will have no tax in buying, no tax in selling. You will have only a small contribution in ALFCOINs that will goes to the pool. Because the smart contract will create it, it's a liquidity generator contract. So a very small percentage, it's 3% of when you are buying ALFCOINs will goes in the pool to have all the time an equilibrium be inside the pool. So
Yes, because it is a smart contract liquidity generator. Maybe
yeah,
for
exactly.
the people who know.
But we have no other taxes in nothing else, and we only reward with great API all the people that will go and stock those ALFCOINs in the 4 different plans that we actually have. And
Yes, actually,
about the supply, I already said that it's 77 million in total. That's it. 57 million, it's already in circulation. It was renounced. It was directly on the contract, so no one have a hand on those 57 million. This is the 3/4 of the total supply, and the rest of the 20 million, it's in different wallet that we will use for the project. One wallet, it's the marketing wallet, that it's the most important wallet for us. So this is the biggest also percentage that we will keep for the marketing. It's 10% of the total supply. And after that, we will have another another wallet that will be for the development, because as you understand the project, we will need a lot of resources for developing blockchain application platforms. All that stuff need a lot of money, and so we have a wallet that is dedicated for the development of the project till the end. And of course, one wallet for all the team for that will work on this project, because they need salary, they need to be paid, of course. No one works for nothing.
Of course, yeah, makes a lot of sense. One thing that I wanted to point out, just so everyone understands, as Nicholas said, all the supply is already in the market. So that's why you see such a crazy proportion between the liquidity and the market cap. You join in and you see 15 million market cap. That is the whole liquidity, the whole supplies value. Okay. That's what you see right there. You see the whole supply or ALFCOIN value. That's why it looks crazy. You're used to seeing a a 1-to-5 or 1-to-10 proportion. This is a lot more because the whole supply is already there, and that's how it appears in PooCoin. Don't you worry about that. Even if you're not used to seeing that, it is a more classical approach
Yes.
of a token, and I like it, honestly. It's different. I love it. But don't you worry. You guys see bigger fluctuations, down and up, of course, but that's not going to hurt your investment in any way. The proportion is the same one. Lovely, guys. Lovely things. I'm sending the content that Charlie is bringing to me. This is a very, it is a very different kind of approach to a token, which I love to cover tonight. So you guys need to do your own research as well. They are very, very nice. So they will be more than happy to answer your questions and solve your questions about this different approach of token. Honestly, guys, I love new approaches. I really, really like things that look fresh, things that are not common, reward tokens and this and that. And this really brings to you a traditional, let's say, kind of system to DeFi in a very, very modern way to see it. So it's like a very good mix. So guys, definitely dive into it. Go check out their Telegram too. They will be more than happy to answer your questions. In the meantime, we have a lot of time, so we're going to jump into some investor questions, guys. Who's got questions? Raise your hands. I think a lot of the first people you see have gotten questions. We're going to start with Matt. Matt Haberski. Hello, Matt. Hello, Matt.
Hello.
Hello, Matt.
Hello.
First of all, I'm excited about this project. I think you've done a great job answering Benson's questions. My one question is, I have a fear when I'm investing in new crypto projects, particularly ones that might identify themselves as a hedge fund, about regulatory problems in the future. I live in America, and then here hedge funds are very strictly regulated. I love that crypto is not regulated, and I would love for it to stay that way, but unfortunately, I doubt that's going to be true. Has the team put any thought into potential regulatory challenges in the future? And are you agile enough to make changes if necessary to respond to potential regulations?
Thank you, Matt. Yeah, look, about that, we already have some plans. Our next steps will be to move. As I said in the beginning, we will move as a team in another country, and this country is Dubai, because in Dubai we have a lot of advantage. One major advantage is zero taxes, so we will continue to offering huge interest in our investors. And something that it's really, really nice, I loved it, it's that in Dubai, it will be one of the first country that will give license to crypto companies. And I already discussed with lawyers down there in Dubai, and I speak about our project. They are very enthusiastic about it, and we will be able to have a license and be regulated by the financial organization, of course, of Emirates, that will give us a license, a permit to be a crypto hedge fund, and the first, of course, also for them. And this is one very good news, and we look forward to move on our next steps.
Well, knowing that the Emirates are about as good as Switzerland at managing financial stuff, that's good news. So I appreciate your answer. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Matt. Lovely question, mate.
Yeah, good question. Exactly.
The next question gets chosen by you guys. Nicholas, you can choose the next question. You can go for it.
Okay.
You can ask any of those on top. Maximus, Hugo, Cabral, Evra, Terry, Kendo as well. Meech.
Deborah.
Yeah, let's go for Evra. Yeah. Hey, Evra, Terry, how's it going? Evra. Evra fell asleep listening to us.
Well, that's not good.
Yeah, probably. Well, Evra, let's move on to the next one. Evra, you lost your chance. I'm sorry. Let's go with Maximus, maybe. Maybe Maximus had a.
Maximus.
I'm sure he was clicking on it. Maximus, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you? I just have
I'm
one
doing
question.
very well,
Don't
brother.
worry.
Thank you for being here.
Yeah, I only have one question today, so you have nothing to worry about. Uh, okay, so in order for you to provide the API, I mean, in order for you to provide the dividends and API, you would have to have partnered with, have to have had some partnership, right? Who are those partners?
I didn't get.
He's asking us about our partners.
Yeah,
About our partners in what?
yeah.
Yeah, I got a little lost too, Maximus. So what kind of partners are you asking about?
Yeah, but because I'm looking, unless I'm mistaken, you have to. I mean, yes, okay. So maybe I'm mistaken about this, but not to provide the API, you would have to have some partners who supply some tax or something for you to pay the investors, right? Unless I'm not understanding this very well.
No. If I understand it well, is how we generate this API without taxes, right?
Partners. Are you the one supplying the API yourself?
I'm not getting.
I'm not sure if you're speaking about API or partners, or is it related?
Yeah, I'm not getting it either, honestly, Maximus.
Okay, fine. Let me ask my other question. Maybe I probably must have read it wrong. So, there are a lot of hacking going on in these sort of projects, right? What are the security measures you put into it to ensure there's no hacking?
No hacking in the whole system.
Correct.
In the whole system, we will implement cybersecurity measures. We already speaking with developing company that will develop the all platform to be everything to be automated, and this company has of course cybersecurity measures that will be implement in all our platforms and transactions procedures.
Yeah,
between
follow
us and the investors, of course.
Yeah, to follow on that. Yes, to follow on that, we are already in discussion with a lot of people, but we need the project to start growing to start really creating the blockchain, etc., etc. So yes, as Nicolas said, we are already in contact with people. They're gonna work with us for the security, the auditing, etc., etc. We also have already contact in the traditional finance. And this is also our strong. What makes us strong is that Nicolas has a lot of connection as a trader. He's been trading for several years, and so he has a lot of connection. And of course, we are speaking with this partner also. Right now, we cannot announce anything because we need to start to launch to generate the first harvest for the investors, so everyone is reassured that it is working. It is. You can also see the video that Benson shared about Nicolas trading live. This is really how the money is earned, is through the trading in the traditional finance, in Nasdaq, in futures, in the Dow Jones, etc., etc. So yeah, we have already a lot of partners around us. but we just need to push the project for now to make it grow. And once we have a solid basis, we're gonna start, of course, development of a blockchain with the people. Right now, it is just the beginning of the project, so we're just speaking about the condition, what we want, what do they consent to us, etc., etc. It's just the early base, but before the blockchain, because the blockchain is gonna be also financed through the trading via our profits. We need to this is why you open already the investment plan for the traders, so the people can start earning money, and also us as well, because we're gonna make more money than we're gonna give it back to the people, because we know, as Nicolas said, this APY have been calculated through the result is already have on the investment fund, or the hedge fund is managing, is trading on. So yes, Nicolas, if you want to maybe close on
the big difference in we offer everything to our investors. In a traditional hedge funds, or in traditional, you will never get high IPAs, because you have they have to deduct taxes, benefits, salaries, fees to governments, etc., etc. So at the end, you cannot have you have the smallest part of as an investor back. Here we have no such things. So this is why the investors can benefit of the maximum of the interest. And of course, we use something that it's magical. This is the compounding interest. So every month, it's the compound of the interest it's passed to the next month, etc., etc., etc. And this is like growing a snowball in the snow.
Exactly. Yes, your other partner mentioned partners. That was my question. Who were the partners? You see, that's what I was trying to figure out, because it's a huge. They're giving us huge API, like the best I've seen so far. But anyway, my last question is, how sustainable are these huge APIs for a long term? Because we are able to give, for instance, I'm looking at your website. You're looking at Vault 4. They're giving like 790% API. Wow, that's huge. How is that sustainable for a long term?
This is huge. This is what I said. It's the compounding interest. Monthly, the interest, it's only 20%. 20 multiplied by 12, it's 240. But if you take 20% and every month you added the capital and the interest of the previous month, and you calculate this, you will see that you will have 790%. This is based on only 20%. It's not more. It's not more. It's 20%.
That's what I realized.
I get that. I get that. My question is, since this is very huge and it's very attractive, how do you sustain that for a long period of time? Because at some point, you probably might be making losses if you're going to give out these huge APIs.
Maybe
you sustain for a long time.
Maybe you should speak about long and short, and how we're gonna make money either side, either way the market is gonna go.
This is something, I will explain quickly. It's that as a professional traders, we have the right to generate gains when the market is bullish, and also when it's bearish. So even if the market crashes tomorrow, I will generate benefits because I am able to sell. So for me, to short the market, as if you have seen the movies, The Big Short, the big hedge funds can short the market. So if the market crashes, I short the market and I generated more benefits. So of course, in a long period, we have day with losses and day with wins. But in general, we are winners. This is the only way. Otherwise, traders cannot subsist it. So we need to have a correct money management, and this is what we have.
Exactly. This is the one of the thing I loved about the project is that with your experience, you have a lot of experience on risk management, money management, and of course, with the money is not gambled without any thinking. The money is carefully invested in the market. There are stop loss. We cannot lose all the money. This is how he's working. Was Nicola working with other investment plan, other hedge fund, classical hedge fund? I mean. Also, one thing I wanted to mention, yes, there is a link for YouTube. So this is the live from yesterday. You can see Nicolas shorting the market. You see, this is even aggressive shorting. This is scalping because it's literally scalping points of the market to bring money. You can see in this example, in less than 10 minutes, we generate on one market on one day already $400 of profits just on one market because there are a lot of market and Nicolas is trading a lot of market, not only Don Jones, it was Don Jones. So think about it. Yes, of course, we are not always winning. This will be a lie. Yes, of course, some days there are loss, some
No,
other
and
days
this
there are
is why when I trade live, I will show you also my bad days. I will not show you only the green days because this is not possible.
I mean,
We
this
are
is
not
live, so
we are not gods. Okay, so
Okay.
but you
Okay.
have to
All
have
right.
the right proportion on money management, risk rewards. This is the secret in trading.
All right. Thank you, Benson.
Thank you,
thank you,
Maximus.
Maximus.
Thank you so much, Maximus, as always. Good technical questions from Maximus most of the time. Lovely. One thing that I wanted to mention is that joining ALFCOIN, you're not only going to have a good investment right here, but also going to learn a lot. Nicholas is a huge professional in investments, and from what I've seen, he's super down to teaching every single holder on how to do it in the right way, and that's lovely. The YouTube videos, the tutorials, you should make them, private, Nicholas, payment.
Maybe in the future.
Information, yes.
Make it exclusive for holders. If you hold ALFCOIN, you can learn and watch the videos. That could be a
Well,
good revenue.
we are thinking about it, yes. So yes, maybe it will be something in the future, yes.
Yeah, it's interesting. I mean, you're teaching people things that you took 15 years to learn, so it's just right for you to make money out of it.
Yeah, this is.
Think about it.
I will. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Let's get on with one more question, guys, and then we'll go. It's late night. Here where I live, it's 12 a.m. What time is it there, Nicholas? Same, right? 12.
No. It's 1 o'clock.
Oh my fucking god,
Yeah.
that's late.
It's 1 a.m. Yeah.
What about you, Charlie?
But I love the.
For me, it's 12 a.m.
12, like me. Right, so it's pretty late, but we're going to get one more question. Riego wants to ask a question. Riego, NFTs, please. Okay, Riego is not speaking. Let's get Joshua talked in the previous AMA, so let's give a chance to someone else, guys. The first one to raise your hand right now, just click on the question button. I will open your. Okay, Frederick. Go ahead, Frederick. Welcome back. Thank you for being here. It's your time.
Thank you, Benson. I've been enjoying. I've been enjoying you. So we have some part. Nicholas and then Charlie. I've been hearing your talk, and I don't know how you could actually convince me that your project is worth investing in.
The project is, sorry?
I think he said,
I
how
say,
can you convince him to buy into the project, pretty much, to invest?
Well, as I said, maybe Nicolas was gonna add more later, but as I said, the thing is about our investment plan is that you have cryptos, you have to watch over them, to watch maybe if the APY or something on your staking or farming plan is not booming up or going down because you're losing money, etc., etc. Here we have fixed APY, so I think for me and for I hope for a lot of people gonna invest, is like a different way to earn money in crypto. I mean, you have your token that you're trading, you're farming, you have your stacking, yes, but us is just a way to earn money, because there is probably right now we are on a bull run on crypto money. Maybe we're gonna be on a bear in a few months, and we all gonna lose a lot of money if we didn't manage well. The thing is, investing in our investment plan, you're not investing in crypto, you're investing in the traditional markets. And as Nicolas said, we can make money even if the market is going up or is going down. And this is, I think, a diversification of revenue, because you're not only making your money, your crypto is working in the crypto world, but on the blockchain, but it's also work on the investment plan via financial market. So this is, for me, diversification in your port wallet and in your portfolio. Sorry, in your wallet, and it allows you to just, yeah, okay, I will invest, I don't know, $100, $200 in this plan, and I will come back in 1 year, sorry, and you're gonna have your return without doing nothing, without wondering what is happening. So, and as I said in the beginning, the line between the traditional finance and the decentralized finance is really shrinking as we speak. A lot of people, see, if you have seen the news lately, a lot of people from traditional finance are looking to invest in DeFi, because they know that's the next big thing in terms of capitalization. We are already in front of them, ahead of them. So yeah,
And this is not only that. Another point, sorry, Charlie, another big point that everyone must understand that, and even you, Frederick, and you will maybe be convinced after that, it's that all the world will enter in the worst crisis ever than the humanity ever have lived. So what will be happen? It will be a huge period of hyperinflation. They already started in US, in China, and it will come everywhere. What does it mean, this? In simple words, your money actually that you have in your pocket or in your bank will not have any value, and will lose value every day that you will leave it. So assets like gold, like land, and like crypto today will be the best place to hide or to increase your money value. And this is why our project is the best for those situations, because you will put your money in something that will growing with the time passing, and your classic fiat money will lose totally their value. This is a huge benefit.
Yes, of course, because for it's almost for every crypto, because the thing that Nicolas want to say is that, of course, the inflation is gonna bring in more and more people into crypto, and this kind of project of ours. This is something that people who invest in the traditional market with fiat or today's may be interested in. And where people, because we're not only speaking to crypto communities, we are speaking, as I said, with people from traditional finance, and they like the idea. They know what we are trying to do, and they know this is something that might be useful in the next few months, in the next few weeks, months, I don't know, years, and yes, we are starting this idea, this bridge between the two worlds, and it's crypto, yes, but you invest in the traditional financial market. So as I said in the first place, is diversification. So you can make, even if the cryptocurrency market is bearish, you have your APY assured on investment plan, you know. So this is not the thing to buy all of a token and then to hold it to the death. Is the thing is to use them as an entry ticket to our investment plan. The investment plan which will assure you this APY. This is the main use of our project.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Actually, I personally don't have my money in fiat. You know, I'm crazy into crypto. You know, it's just that there's so many projects out there. There's so many projects. You know, for you to actually, you know, get the investor investing money, you know, investing his fund into your project, you have to have something that stand out among all these projects. You know,
Mhm,
there's so many.
mhm.
You know, the crypto space, the ecosystem is so
Of course,
wide. You know, it's
of
so
course.
wide.
Yes,
You
sure.
know, so you have to be able to have that key that makes you stand out. That said, okay, this is it. This is it. Of course, there's a project I invested in. We did an 100x. You know, I heard because I am a hodler. I don't sell. Understand? I
Hmm.
heard. I
Hmm.
invest. I don't trade. You know, of course,
So
I
yes,
need
this.
money. You know, but so but you have to have that convincing that thing that will make your project actually different. That's what I was actually asking for. What makes your project different from the so many projects in the crypto ecosystem? And I think you've brought out some point, and I like the way Shelly you talked. Nicholas, you know, you talk very well. I'm quite convinced. You know, but that kill, that thing that makes you the best, that makes you the one that want to make me pump something into it.
Exactly.
So,
Yeah.
thank you and thank you very much.
Lovely,
Thank you.
Frederick.
Thank you,
Lovely,
Frederick.
lovely answers too from the men themselves. We're gonna get Johnny D as the last question, guys, and then we'll have to finish. Johnny D required me one last question in private. I hope it's worth it, Johnny D, or I'll get angry at you.
Thanks, man.
How are you,
guys,
brother?
Hi, Johnny.
doing
Hi.
well. Just
We're losing you, mate. We can't hear you, brother.
No, no here.
We can't hear you, man.
with that may have inspired
Johnny.
you guys. Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's kind of like it's breaking all the time. Johnny?
Maybe written.
Yeah. Johnny, if you can write it to me in private if it's important, just write it now before we finish the interview. We're already 10 minutes in late. So, well, in the meantime that Johnny tries to write me that question in private, I was just going to say thank you so much, Charlie, Nicholas. You are great, great presenters of your project. Great face to stand by ALFCOIN, honestly. Professional, well-spoken, and ready for what's coming. So congratulations for your project going on. Congratulations for everything you built, and keep going like that, honestly.
Thank you.
It's been a very great journey.
Yes, it's. I mean, yes, we are showing we are less than 48. We are 48 years old. So yeah, the best is to come. We have a lot of things planned, and of course join us if you want on your Telegram. We will respond of all of your questions. As I said, we will be doing regular IMAs. We will be doing regular with Nicolas trading live sessions. So you can, even if you don't invest, you can learn from Nicolas, from a Nicolas experience. So yeah, thank you, Benson. It was really a nice AMA. I enjoyed it as the last time, and I hope to see you soon.
Lovely.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
guys,
Thank you.
I was just gonna thank you again. Everyone go take a look at ALFCOIN. Lovely, lovely project. It's different from what you see usually. So again, dive into new content, guys. It's good for your knowledge. you're going to expand your investments too, and learn to make a lot more money from not only from crypto but also from investments and funding. Someone was asking me if you guys are going to make videos in English too, like very well explained in English on how to how to hedge fund and invest, and how to do everything in English, of course. Is that going to happen?
Yeah, of course. I will expand my channel in English from now, because most people are speaking English, and this is the language, the worldwide language. So we are forced to do that. And
yes, and most of the live trading you did was in English, right? So they can already see this
Yeah.
video, and more are going to come.
Exactly.
it
Wonderful,
will improve
guys.
our English as well.
That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a great way to practice your English too.
Yeah.
I wanted to choose a winner for this AMA. We already chose a winner before. We're going to choose one for this one too. I don't know if I should choose it myself. I wouldn't like you guys to choose the same one I chose before. So I might as well just choose it myself. I've been seeing, I think it's Wesley around a lot. Wesley Win. I've seen you around a lot, Wesley. So we might as well give you this this giveaway. Wesley, are you there? Oh, I think Wesley fell asleep. Maybe he's losing a chance to win money.
Yeah.
Right. Well, I tried. I'll talk to him in private anyways, guys. So Wesley is the winner of this AMA, just because he's been here in the previous one and in this one, and he's usually active in the group. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Nicholas. Thank you very much,
Thank
Charlie.
you.
You guys are amazing. Keep
Thank
doing what you're doing, and I'll see you in our next AMA. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Benson.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Good
Have a
night,
good one.
everyone.
Bye.